Here I have CUBOT X30, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, scroll down a bit, you go to the system section, then to the language and input, languages, add language. Here you have the full list of languages which you can set up your device. Let's select, for example, Ukrainian. And what you have to do next is to drag Ukrainian on top, and the language will change automatically. If you want to change it back to English, you just go to the налаштування, система, мова та ведення, мови, and drag English on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.